That was impressive. Knife sharp as a razor. And how we achieved it, we will show you in this video. First, we will show that knife was dumb. It couldn't handle the tomatoes. It just crushed it. It also failed the bread. Look, it should not be like that. Clean it up and sharpen the knife. For this we will need water sharpening stone, but to sharpen on it correctly, you must always observe the same angle of sharpening. For this we will need a small piece of PVC pipe. You need to make a slot in it, where we subsequently put the knife. For this we will use a disc grinding machine, like this, and cut it off. We have our future knife sharpening tool. Removing everything unnecessary with a stationary knife. And our tool is ready. Put it on a knife. Look what we got. Measure the angle of sharpening the knife. Approximately 17 degrees. That's a great sharpening angle for a kitchen knife. We'll use a water sharpening stone. Be sure to wet it with water. And with these movements, starting to sharpen the knife. Periodically wetting with water. This is an important condition for proper sharpening. Now with this device, our sharpening angle is always constant, in this case 17 degrees. Changing the side of the stone. The roughness in stone is different. First sharpen by thousands, and now we'll do it at 3000. Periodically wet with water. So we sharpen the knife for about 5 minutes. Small cleaning. Here is our device. It helped us sharpen the knife correctly. Let's test it. Use a sheet of paper, like a razor. No difficulties. What is about our tomato? Again, everything is fine. Cuts in thin layers and chops like a saber. There was no problem with the bread. Everything is fine. Take it and do it.